Hawks soar high and watch for small animals below. They have strong claws and curved beaks. They live in forests, fields, and deserts. Kites have long wings and tails that help them glide. They love to fly over open lands. They eat small animals and insects. Vultures clean nature by eating leftovers of dead animals. They have bald heads and big wings. They help keep the land healthy. Eagle owl. The eagle owl is one of the biggest owls. It has orange eyes and large ear tufts. It hunts rabbits and other small animals at night. Cockatoos have fancy crests on their heads. They love to dance and scream loudly. They are very playful and live long lives. Lovebirds are small parrots that always stay close together. They are colorful and affectionate. Their name comes from how they cuddle. Magpies are black and white with shiny tails. They are curious and love shiny things. They are also clever and can mimic sounds. Ravens are bigger cousins of crows. They are mysterious birds often seen in mountains. They are smart and sometimes playful. Finches are tiny and colorful songbirds. They chirp sweet tunes and love to eat seeds. Barn swallows build nests from mud. They swoop and twist in the air, catching insects. Their tails are shaped like scissors. Spoonbills have flat, spoon-shaped beaks. They sweep their beaks through the water to catch food. Their feathers are white or pink. Ibises have long, curved bills. They wade in shallow water looking for bugs. In some countries, they are sacred birds. Egrets are tall, white birds that stand in ponds. They move slowly to catch fish. Their feathers are used as symbols of beauty. Cormorants dive deep to catch fish underwater. They spread their wings wide to dry after swimming. Fishermen sometimes train them to help fish. Grebes are water birds with fluffy feathers. They can dive and swim underwater very well. Their chicks often ride on their parents' backs. Loons are diving birds with red eyes. Their calls echo beautifully across lakes. They are amazing swimmers but clumsy on land. Kookaburras laugh like people when they call. They live in Australia and eat insects and small lizards. Their laughter fills the forest. Lyrebirds can copy almost any sound, even cameras and chainsaws. The males spread their tail feathers like a lyre. They are master mimics. Emus are giant flightless birds from Australia. They run fast and have fluffy feathers. The dads care for the eggs and chicks. Cassowaries have blue necks and helmet-like heads. They live in rainforests and can be dangerous if scared. They love eating fruits. Kiwis are small birds from New Zealand. They have long noses and can't fly. They come out only at night to find worms. Roadrunners are speedy desert birds. They run faster than many animals. They catch lizards and insects on the move.